if you have a motorcycle and you are taking this thing very, very lightly, you don't take it very serious, I think your motorcycle is going to get destroyed very soon. Yes, because uh you just need to pay attention to your motorcycle. It is very, very important. If you listen to any kind of strange noise, one thing you need to do is quickly take it to a mechanic that can possibly discover where the noise is coming out, and tell you what to do, whether to change the part or to make some kind of adjustment. There are a lot of noise you can be listening to from your motorcycle that can possibly damage the motorcycle. Let's take for an example. At the top of the cylinder, you start the motorcycle and you continue to hear some kind of tapping noise. Ta, 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 ta. This noise can damage the cylinder of the motorcycle. If you don't know, it can damage the cylinder. What you need to do is just take it to a mechanic, then tell them the noise is coming out from the cylinder. What they will do is they will check the valve. The valve, it seems it has loosened. So they need to adjust the valve. They adjust the valve as expected. Once they adjust the valve, they will discover where the noise is, and possibly it might even be the tappet valve that is having that's bringing that kind of noise. So once they adjust it, believe me, the noise is going to stop. So just this simple thing, if you ignore it, it can possibly damage your motorcycle. Another noise is when you get when a noise is coming out from an engine. I think there is a knocking noise. The knocking noise is always coming out from the crankshaft. So if you are not aware of this, if you don't take it to a mechanic for it to discover this kind of noise, you should know that yes, once a crankshaft spoil, the motorcycle has finally died. What you just need to do is to change crankshaft. And crankshaft nowadays is very, very cost. So there are a lot of simple noise that a mechanic can easily dictate for you, and you get to correct it so that it will not damage some other things. And possibly, even though at the side of the magneto, a noise can be coming out from there. Yes, maybe just a simple bolt losing, and also the likes of clutch leather. The nut that the bolt that is used to tight the clutch plates. When one of it loosen, it can continue to strike the oil pump cup. So this kind of noise can possibly damage a lot of things if you don't quickly go and rectify it. So these are some of the noise that yes, you can possibly dictate and get mechanic to do the simple tasks for you. So it is very, very important for you not to ignore any kind of noise that is coming out from your motorcycle, for it not to damage the entire engine. So this is the tip I said I'll share with you. Don't forget, your motorcycle is very, very rich and it is your property. Do not take it very lightly. Thank you.